So I heard that you like to wear your hair
Yes.
up. Okay, why do you like wearing it up?
Because I just don't think it looks good down.
Why is that?
I don't know. And I just play sports, I'm used to having it up.
What sports do you play?
Soccer and sometimes basketball.
Okay. What do you feel like you struggle the most, like whenever it's down? Like what bothers you the most?
Frizzing.
What else?
Sometimes it comes out wide and it's like really short. I don't like it short.
You don't like it short. Okay. Why did you want to come today?
Because I want to get it like back to like having it frizzing down.
You want to wear it down more.
Not really, but yeah. Yes
Okay.
and no.
Okay, why yes and no?
Yes, because sometimes I have my mom put it up most of the time and I kind of struggle putting it up, so sometimes I just wear it down. And
Okay.
no, because I don't like wearing it like down in public.
Interesting. Okay. Well, your hair's pretty long. Not that short. Okay, do you have any pictures of how you want your haircut?
Kind of like that.
What do you like about that picture?
It's longer
Okay.
and like you can actually see the curls.
Okay. So you're really focused on the length
Mm-hmm.
and you want definition,
Yeah.
but you don't want it to be big.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that. The only thing I want to say about like your hair getting bigger, right, is curly hair wants to expand and be big.
Mhm.
That's what it wants to live in. I will do my very best with keeping it as flat as I can, but maybe you'll change your mind once you see like the definition.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we'll see. Okay, do you have any other questions for me?
Mhm.
Do you have any questions?
No, I think I want to sit down.
You.
I mean, this has pretty hair.
He's gorgeous hair. I mean, it's stunning.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stick around to see what happens next because you've probably been in the same situation before. Like many of you, Kambree has been struggling with frizz. She's been wearing her hair in bubble braids, buns, or ponytails. She's only used heat on her hair 2 or 3 times, but the real issue is that she's been doing wet styling and has been going to bed with her hair wet for quite some time. Let's briefly talk about wet styling. Imagine washing a t-shirt and then stretching it while it's still wet for an extended period of time. The fabric will stretch initially, but over time, repeated stretching can cause it to fray or even tear. This is similar to what happens with your hair. Your hair is like that fabric. When you apply pressure to it, especially when it's wet, it affects its elasticity. Plus, while you sleep, the constant movement can rough up that hair's cuticle, leading to more breakage. So over time, this strains your hair and makes it much harder to retain length, which usually is the goal. Oh, and one more thing. What grows in dark places? Mold. And I know none of y'all want mold growing in your hair. So after hearing all that information about wet styling and going to bed with your hair wet, I hope you think twice about your decisions. Now, let's talk about Kambree's inspiration. I love her inspiration picture, but her hair isn't in a place to jump straight to that. And honestly, I don't even think that she would like this because she loves her length and the inspiration has lots of layers. Not that that's a bad thing, but I think it's too drastic for her first appointment with me. Also, due to the wet styling damage, there's unevenness in her hair. And we need to correct that before considering the inspo haircut. So here's what I suggested that we do.
Haircut, right? She has a lot of hair. You have a lot of hair too, but you have different textures going on. So she might have a more consistent curl pattern, and you have different textures. So for us to like replicate that haircut, it's not gonna sit the same with you. So we can find a happy medium. Like this is obviously just inspiration, but we would have to take off quite a lot if you're wanting that type of haircut because she has a lot of layers, which is not bad, right? I think it's gonna be a super cute haircut, but I do want to like express that.
Would it be like short?
Possibly, because you do need, so I'm looking at the unevenness. You see that? And then over here is more fuller. You know, and that's probably because of you putting your hair up wet, right? And then just not wearing it down consistently. So we have a lot of unevenness that I need to correct first. And that can be a goal for the future, right? But right now I think our goal should be focused on getting some evenness and some just like cohesiveness going on with your hair, balancing it out to sit right first, and then we can, you know, have fun with your shape once we get everything kind of grown out nicely. Does that make sense?
Yeah, because I want to keep it like a long.
Kambree has been getting somewhat of regular trims, but I decided to style her hair first and then that way so you could see what her hair can do and decide what she's comfortable with taking off. I dried Kambree's hair with my new Veil hooded dryer and I'm obsessed. The hood has air pockets that run all the way down the hood, which makes the drying process way faster, especially for clients like Kambree with long hair. All right, that's enough of me talking. Here are the results.
So good. It's so good.
It's so pretty.
It is still really long.
It is, and it's just layers.